Welcome to my newest listing. My name's Dave Gove, your Lake Tahoe and Truckee Realtor, and today we're at 11491 Dolomite Way in Truckee, California. The Boulders Condominiums is a resort-style community in the heart of Truckee, California. Nestled at the intersection of Highways 80 and 89, it is the gateway to all things adventure in the North Tahoe and Truckee region. Amenities include year-round fitness facility, including a sauna, spa, and a seasonal pool. Enjoy bocce, volleyball, picnic, and pedestrian access to dining and shopping. Ideally located just minutes from world-class skiing, golfing, lake activities, mountain biking, and hiking trails, the Boulders provides the perfect base camp for your next Tahoe adventure. This condo is a nature lover's dream come true. The top floor location offers beautiful views of the pine forest and greenbelt from the private balcony. Hickory floors and alder cabinets give the home a warm, natural feeling, while stainless appliances and granite countertops add a touch of luxury. The jetted jacuzzi tub is the perfect place for relaxing after a long day. For more information, please call 530-575-8737.